आपकी खूब और का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba Gajelau Konrad ki Sangma hak apusan regunai tung arajar apusan ula pelipat ba ka submit for rural empowerment kabla long state convention center Shillong bla penbit penbiang da Meghalaya Basin Development Society pada hakan kesngi nasa kilang da menteri ka tenat karep karyang ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo bat kiwe ki officer ke Sarkar Jilla. Hakariga jingalang lay soy ka memorandum of understanding bagi kat lightly technical and research institutions bapokman batla samru ki check ki bakot hadu like Klur knai polak chiki vandhan vikas kendra kajing penlong ka jingalang ba kalong ban penkup bori nong sengkam lajong hapo ka pradhan mantri janjatiya vikas mission khna mandubla ban penkeladur ye kajing jongki ka Pradhan Mantri Janjatiya Vikas Mission kediga skim bala air ka Sarkar Pedeng haka shispa nagashispa ka jinga rapisa ko naga Sarkar India shika Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India.
Create businesses, make I distributed them myself, and when I came on the stage to give my speech, half the audience had left. So from that day I always insisted that better not give the checks before my speech. But it happened today. I'm happy to see that nobody has left. It's a wonderful day. Really, I must express my happiness, my satisfaction in seeing the kind of difference that we are able to make in the lives of individuals, lives of our farmers, our women, groups and individuals who maybe never expected, never hoped, never thought that support in this level will be given to them. first year as Chief Minister, Meghalaya did not have a very strong ecosystem for development of enterprise. As a society, as a state, as a region, as tribals, we have so much of knowledge. We have so much of assets that we have. Different forms of natural resources. But we lacked the system. We lacked the ecosystem, the institutional network and setup to be able to unlock the potentials that our society holds. In the last 7 to 8 years, it has been the endeavor of our government to be able to provide that platform to our women groups, youth groups, and the farmer groups. I don't want to go much into details. If I go, it will take a lot of time. But I'm happy to tell you that today we engage with close to about 55,000 self-help groups in our state. Almost all of them have been created in the last 7 years. When I say 55,000 self-help groups, that's almost close to 5 lakh plus women who are impacted through this very, very strong network and institution of self-help groups. Close to about 2 lakh farmers, about 20,000 farmer producer groups are being engaged with regularly to be able to provide them the necessary support so that they are able to increase their overall incomes and revenues. Different programs based on situations and difficulties have been designed by our government to be able to provide the relief and support at times of need. We are a state that provides large portion of the country's supply of broomsticks. There was a point in time when 50% of the broomstick of the entire country used to be supplied from Meghalaya. Of course, many other states have come in now. And that led to the prices going down. But then we realized that the farmers needed support. We came out with a program called CM Assure, where we ensure that farmers are not suffering in terms of getting low prices. Market interventions are being done. Today, in a matter of almost not even 1 year, just 8 months, as a state government, we have spent about 50 crores on CM Assure, giving market intervention to broomstick farmers, erica nut farmers, and thousands of farmers today who would have been in distress are today at least being able to get the basic price that they deserve or they should get. We realize that our farmers are very hard-working. They really want to do things, but sometimes they don't get the support at the right time. Seeds are not available. Even if they're made available after the monsoon is over. The quality of the seeds are not up to the mark. So we came out for a program called CM Farm Plus to ensure that farmers would be able to get quality seeds at the right time, in the right quantity. And today, because of these interventions, all over the state, farmers are benefiting. I'm not saying that we have been able to resolve all the problems, and neither am I saying that we have been able to do everything. There is a long, long way ahead of us. But the momentum has started. We are on the right track. The different foundations that need to be laid to be able to achieve the larger goal is being done today.
Next, we have the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, from West Bengal. The National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management Technology Innovation and Business from Uttar Pradesh. The Northeast Cape. The Central Council for representing Jabbar Lungtop Jord is Richard Jana. He is Soshan from East and West Khasi Hills. Eastern Hills. Representing Narumre Chikama is Marmesh G. Woman. From a round of applause, please. Chukre, Southwest Garo Hills. South Garo Hills.
Wat pen leno yagani ka kabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu saw po hajar hadu hundriu po hajar tingka menta philaban yo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar seneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka benta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran po no menta hau khandai saw lai hundriu san pra hinyo lai pra